Hello dear friends, and I'm in Mexico, Iberostar, Linda. Okay, so this video is for massage therapists, and I already have done a few videos for massage therapists. One of them is how to make $100,000. No, how to get paid. How to get paid $100,000 a year being massage therapist. That's a really good video and it's a really good tip, but it takes a long time to get your own clientele and get paid $80 an hour. So today I'm going to make a different video, how to make 100,000 and more a year being massage therapist and have vacations like at least twice a year in good hotels and resorts. And yeah, so you have to know three things. And first thing is technique. You have to have really good technique. And I call that technique wow impression. So whenever you give massage to a person, like new clients or regular clients, they have to have this wow impression. It has to be really good technique, and you gotta be really good at it. So that's why I have this master class, and you can come and learn how to get this technique. Wow impression. Okay. And the other thing is how to become friend with your client right away. So that's personal relationships. You have to be like really good buddy, really good friends to all your clients. Okay, look at this beautiful. So that's the second. And third thing is third thing is really hard is scheduling. So I remember when I was having like 50 clients, and they all have different preferences with time, days, and etc. So you will have like a hard time scheduling that. And you have to learn good techniques in scheduling too. So you have to be really organized, because I had few times when I had like 2 or 3 people coming at the same time, because I was really bad at scheduling. And that is really bad, because you make person, out of those 2, you have to choose one. So you choose one, and then the other person is going to be really pissed off. He's going to be mad at you, and he will hate you. So it's, and then he will spread words like, this guy is idiot. He couldn't make a good schedule, blah, blah, blah. So you will lose a lot of clients. So saying that it's really important. It's most important. Okay. So 3 things: technique, personal relationship, and scheduling. So how it works? So you just go on my website and find a contact form, give me your resume, and then yeah, I will see. And I usually take one therapist at a time, sometimes two, and sometimes two, and then it's 10 days, 5 days a week, every day, and you will see all my clients. You will do massage on my clients too, and I will see how you're doing, and then you will receive massages yourself, and then you will do massage on me and see how it works. Yeah, so that's how it works. I have like 40, maybe. They all have one guy here. Look at this ocean, right? So once you successfully massage therapist, you will have everything you need, and lots of money, good house, twice vacations, and everything. So just don't forget, send me your resume, and I will schedule you, and you will be cool. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon, right? Take care. Bye.